Suzuki design. So ikot nito, yes, P08A, clutch position not learn. So yun ang gawin natin. Ito pala yung pang program namin, Hotel Maxis 919, MS 919. So problema nito ay program lang natin siya. So okay, so first punta tayo sa TCM, special function, display to receiver, clutch assembly and association with the clutch assembly, sponge supply, plate supply, clutch release bearing, etc. Okay, ensure the vehicle ignition on, ignition on, lever and neutral. Okay, so it's not 10. Okay, turn off. Okay, turn on. Okay, start the engine, idle first. Okay, start the engine, idle first. Idle first. So naka-idle na siya. Okay, turn off. Turn off. Turn on. Tools complete. Perform. Tools complete. Perform next operation. Escape. So okay na yan. Operation tools complete. So punta tayo ngayon sa trouble codes. So wala na. Yan. So ganyan lang kadali. Tawag Suzuki design. At saka yung ilaw niya dyan, wala. So ganyan lang magawa ng clutch. Pag ito yung problema niya, so hindi nyo na ayaw nyo mag-start, hindi mo sama pa start, tapos hindi mag-shift. So problem sinasabi yun. So program lang siya, program lang. Okay, yan yung super start niya.